So hey guys, welcome back to this video. What's going on, family? It's your girl Jay from Jay Sotastic. So what? I don't know, but we're doing a lot of upcycling over here. So I know I've been busy. Y'all, and I want to say first off, thanks for all of the prayers. They are working. They're working. I got the information that I needed, and I am moving forward. And you guys will be pretty much the first to know once everything is in my hands. So that's all I'm gonna say right now. So I'm gonna keep y'all on the ledge a little bit, and once things are in my hand, then I will share again because I gotta go through a whole big old process. So with that said, let's get into this video. But what I want to do is share with you guys what I am upcycling this week. And I do need to get one of the projects done by Wednesday because I will be traveling to Milwaukee. So I will be dropping the item off on Wednesday to a client. So the first one is a client upcycle. And here is the fabric that I'm going to be using. This used to be a pair of pants. I've already started the process, so I started cutting it and stuff like that. So you see one leg is kind of like missing. So, and what the client wanted was for the flare to be put into the jeans. So, I am doing that. I'm going to upload a picture so you guys can see what that looks like. But I am working on the leg of this pants right now. And what I'm trying to do is make sure that the pucker is supposed to be fluffy, but I'm only working. I can only do what the client gives me to work with. I've already sewn on one leg, so it's kind of like really just trying to figure out if that's what the client wants, um, that little flare part, or just making this fall a little bit more flat. If you can kind of like understand what I'm saying, let me show you that. What I'm trying to do is make sure that this, the ruffles, hold on, because I'm talking all crazy, lay flat right here. And how I've done that is I've hand sewn it right now, but I don't know if that's going to work for me because I don't like the way it kind of lays in there. I mean, it can work, it can work. Don't get me wrong, it could work. So if you look at it, what it looks like from the side. But what I don't like is the way it protrudes out the side. But I don't think she's worried about that because that's what she wants. So what I had done was cut up the other side of the leg, opened it up, and then I'll add that other piece of material there. So that's what I'm gonna finish this project by Wednesday. And I've asked her to take a picture in it so that you guys can see it. So what I'll do is I'll upload that picture in my community tab, along with hopefully I'll get a picture of the client that was in the shorts and the blue jeans, upcycle that I did. I asked her to send me a picture. I saw her on Saturday, and I asked her to send me a picture of her in the outfit. Okay, and then the next thing I'm upcycling is I have a pair of camo um, jumpsuit, I guess you could say. I don't know what you call them. Yeah, whatever they call it. I guess you can call it a jumpsuit. But this is how it looks. Okay, got two pockets and it's pants. I used to call them painter suits back in the day, or how your jeans. What are they called? I don't know what they call. Y'all know what they call. If I think of the name, I'll put it down. But what I'm planning on doing with this is the other part of the upcycle. These were some, I don't know, I guess you could call them harem pants too. And they were just long, and I cut them open at the bottom. Okay, so what I'm going to do is attach it to the painter pants. So, so there's the painter pan, and imagine this attached to it, this over to the side, flowing dress. So it's going to be a long dress, and I'm going to cut the dress on an angle, and I'm going to take the legs, okay? So I'm going to take the legs, and I'm going to add them onto the bottom of this side of the dress. So I'm trying to give y'all kind of idea, pretty long. So I'm going to take this part, cut it off, make sure I still got my pockets and stuff in there. And then this side is going to be over there like that. And then I'm going to take the legs that are left, the fabric that's left from the legs, and I'm going to attach it to this side on the bottom. So if y'all can get that picture in your head, please do, because I can't draw it for you to save my life. But I'm going to create that. So I'm going to upcycle that. So that's what I plan on doing with that. We got pocket here, and this is, I'll probably cut off right here, and then cut off both legs. Here's the legs. Y'all probably like, why y'all cut? Why you cutting it? Those look cute or whatever have you. I just wasn't feeling them, and I felt like upcycling them. So that's what I'm gonna do with that project. And hopefully those projects will be done this week. I'm gonna be traveling, like I said, to Milwaukee again on Wednesday. So I got a lot to do. And this project, the pants, I'm gonna try to finish those today because it doesn't take long. It's just a matter of laying it flat the way I think it should lay. Like I said, I'll post a picture up here or up here so you guys can get an idea, or here or here, of what it looks like. So with that said, I'm not going to hold you guys long, but be looking for that second video, and I will post it in the community tab. Go there, look in the community tab, and check it out to see when I'm posting the video or whatever have you. And I also will be doing, I think I'm going to do them, I think I'm going to do them in this video. Shout outs to new subscribers. And I do want to say, happy birthday to all those in the month of July. I hope you are doing something fabulous and enjoying your special month. Um, Shout out, happy birthday to my sister, Michelle. Her birthday is coming up pretty soon. So she is the person that I'm doing the pants for. I don't know if she's going to wear them on her birthday or whatever have you, but she is my second client that I am doing this. So I don't think I have anything else to say, but I did want to ask you guys some questions. But I think I'm gonna put them in my community tab. So make sure you go over there because I have some questions for you, even if you don't have no questions. All right. So go over there, make sure you're subscribing or going to the posting community. Okay. So with that said, I'm gonna let you guys go. I didn't want to hold you long. I just wanted to share what I'm working on this week on Upcycles. And I will also let me show y'all real quick. Let me go get it. Hold on. Hey, I made this dress and I shared it with you guys in a video. But it is so plain. It's cute. Trust me. It's a cute dress. And it fits well. But it just looks so plain and it's a little sheer. So yeah, I did make this one. The pattern was Simplicity and it was 97 cents. And let me see if I can share with you guys. Look at your girl. She got organized. Let me see if I can find it. Pattern for y'all. Let's show y'all pattern here. So on A8121 Simplicity, so simple. One easy project. Okay? So anybody can, beginner like me with someone can put this together. And yeah, it came out really, really nice. But I want to add a little something to it. And when I do that, I will share it with you guys in the video. When I post the other things that I'm going to do to the dress, and just to give it a little bit more pizzazz, because I have a lot of things that are plain, but I need to just ruche it up a little bit. So that's what your girl is working on, and yeah, we're gonna go from there and make it do what it do. So thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to go to the community tab. Pay attention over there. Don't forget to like the video. Share the video if you know someone who's looking for simple things to do or upcycle things to do. And yeah, with that said, bye. I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.